Guys, welcome to another video. This is Be Unbelievable. So in this video I want to show you different hairstyles you can do while your hair is in mini twists. So I'm going to dive right in. The first hairstyle is a half up, half down. So you can choose to let some pieces of hair out. It really depends on your preference. So then you can grab another elastic and you can turn the ponytail in a little bun. So this could be another option. Half up, half down, you can also make one big ponytail like this. You can also turn this ponytail into a little bun. Another option is making a low ponytail like this, and then you can grab another elastic. So what you do first, you tuck the ends inside, so like this, and then you add an elastic just to secure the bun. So you create like a halo braid. You can choose to open up a little bit to create some extra volume. And then you can add, for example, some hair jewelry. You can add it here at the front. One there. You can also leave some extra hair out in the front and then make a little bun on top. And for example, optional to add like a headband. You can place it behind and then tie it. This one's a little bit too small, but just to give you guys an idea of the options. And you can also choose to wear two space buns. This is definitely a style that I also wear when my hair is out in an afro. But with twist is also really cute. So I hope I gave you guys some inspiration on how to wear your hair while wearing mini twist. Feel welcome to ask me questions in the comments. I'm always, you know, happy to help. Yeah, also let me know how you liked the video and which hairstyle was your favorite. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye!